Greetings to our wonderful patients. I hope you all are remaining safe and healthy. I start by saying we miss you and deeply appreciate your loyalty, support, and understanding. These have been trying times for all of us. As the nation begins to reopen and rebuild, it is important that we stay strong and become a team during these times. At Dentistry by Dr. David, it's our priority to make sure that you are provided with top-notch care and feel safe and be safe when you return for treatment, as Dr. Noyes is going to explain.
As we begin to welcome you all back into our practice, we want you to feel reassured, comfortable, and prepared for your visit. So please relax and listen as we walk you through what to expect. After confirmation of your appointment, our administrative team will review a few new things with you over the phone. One of the best ways to prevent the spread of COVID-19 is to screen our patients prior to appointments. We've implemented a questionnaire that will review your recent travel, any potential exposures you've had, and any potential risks to treatment. In order to minimize or eliminate your time in the waiting room, we will be providing you with online paperwork and have implemented a new check-in process. As you are aware, before we begin treatment, we will obtain consents pertaining to your treatment, as well as an update in your health history. You will now be given access to these forms so that you can fill them out on your personal device. This will also help to minimize the number of papers and pens and iPads that are touched, and thus minimize any associated cross-contamination. Our new check-in process will vary depending on the treatment you are receiving during your appointment. If you are scheduled with one of our hygienists, we ask that you check in and enter through our back door, which is closest to the operatories that you will be treated in. For your convenience and easiest access, please park on the side of the building. To access the back door, walk around the back of the building and up the farthest set of stairs. Once you arrive at this back door, please knock. We will greet you and open the door for you in order to minimize contact with the doorknobs. If you are scheduled with one of our doctors, please gain the attention of our admin staff through the glass of our front door. Don't worry, we'll be looking out for you. We will open the door for you as well. If we feel that there may be a small extended waiting period, we may ask that you wait in your car until we are absolutely ready for you. There will also be a waiting chair in the hallway, as usual. The best way to implement source control is the use of masks. That given, we ask that you don a mask from home prior to entering the office. If you do not own a mask, we will provide you with one immediately upon arrival. We will also be wearing personal protective equipment and have installed a barrier around the front desk area as an additional precaution. As soon as you enter, we will take your temperature, have you sanitize your hands, and provide you with a clean pair of gloves to wear for the duration of your appointment. After you have completed the check-in process, you will be guided to your treatment room. In order to minimize exposure and maintain distance as much as possible, it's important to limit the number of people in the office at any given time. In order to achieve this, we feel strongly about attending your appointment alone. We ask that you do not bring a companion, spouse, or guest with you into the building. Any attendants with you will need to wait in the car for the duration of your appointment. We are fully aware that this is very difficult, and we truly appreciate your understanding and adherence to this. As usual, your doctor will review all planned treatment with you prior to start. At this time, our administrative team will review any questions that you have in regards to finances. In order to minimize your time in the office at the conclusion of your appointment, we will be collecting payment at the beginning of your services and have implemented a new online payment system that you can do with your phone in the chair. We have taken several additional measures to ensure your safety and comfort throughout the entire duration of your appointment. We fully recognize that change can be difficult, though. Please bear with us during these times, as any additional precautions and tools that we are using are to ensure the safest environment possible. We have added several surgical air filters to provide us with constant clean air, large air vacuums during treatment, and we'll be using additional high vacuum suction instruments to decrease aerosols by as much as 90%. Dental aerosols are created by many crucial instruments needed for your treatment, and during the COVID-19 pandemic, aerosols pose a large risk as they can easily carry the virus into the air that we breathe. These additional suction measures provide an additional layer to everyone's safety. At the completion of your treatment, any necessary appointments will be scheduled while you are still in the dental chair. You will then be able to don your mask again, remove your gloves, sanitize your hands, and dismiss yourself. Any additional concerns regarding financials, future appointments, or simply anything you didn't feel was addressed during your appointment can be addressed over the phone. We are only a phone call away, and we are here for you.
Thank you, Dr. Noyes, for taking us through the new appointment process, and thank you so much for tuning in and taking the time out of your day to watch our video so that you can understand what we're doing in the office to ensure your safety and the safety of our team. We're excited to see you all again, and we appreciate your patience. See you soon.